So today I'm making some pollen patties. We're going to mix equal parts of pollen supplement with sugar and mix up some sugar water to make a patty. Start with the syrup. 64 ounces of water. Warm it up in the pot. Then we'll add 4 pounds of sugar. I have some Bee Pro that I picked up at Blaine's. It's made by Man Lake. We're going to mix 1 pound of pollen supplement with 1 pound of sugar. Water's boiling. Add some sugar. Four pounds. Alright, so I'm going to add sugar syrup to the pollen. Just going to mix it up till it becomes a patty. Okay, that's 2 cups sugar syrup, 1 pound of pollen substitute, 1 pound of sugar. This is actually a little wet for what I'd like it to be, because it's not really going to be able to make into a patty, but unfortunately that's all I got, so I'm going to have to make this work. Alright, put these in the lid, trying to keep the smell out so the rest of the bees don't go crazy. Just get it in the hive. Thought I would have room to set it in there. Not sure how well that's going to work, but we will see. That's all we can do. It's a little chilly out. It rained all night. They're not moving around a whole lot just yet. These 2 hives, once they build out, I'm going to combine them, so stay tuned for that. The plan is to put queen excluder on each of the deep frame brood chambers, and then I'm going to put them together and put a box on top and let the worker bees draw comb, see how that goes. But it's been raining a lot, so I'm concerned about how much pollen and nectar they can find right now. Plus these 2 hives are getting started very late, and I want to give them every advantage I can. So purpose of this is just to help speed them along so they can draw out some comb and get busy. A little bit of activity from the Bee Avenue hive. I don't see a whole lot of activity. Well, shoot. So I've been curious if the bees are using this or not. It's so high I can't see if there's any bees up there. So the plan is to compare the hive I started 3 weeks ago, which is doing great. The girls are going crazy. And then I'm going to combine the new hives together, because the theory is a 2 queen hive will produce more than 2 single queen hives. So stay tuned and we'll figure it out together.